Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve delete middle of a linked list. In this question, we are given a head of a linked list, okay, which can contain even number of nodes and also odd number of nodes. We need to delete the middle element, middle node of this linked list. So now we know when we have the odd number of nodes, it is very easy to delete the middle element. But what in the case of even number of nodes? See in example 1, you have odd number of nodes, you deleted the third nodes because there were 5 nodes, okay, and hence you return the remaining nodes. However, in the second linked list, there are even number of nodes, which is 6. Then how we'll find the middle element? So as per the question, if there are even elements, even nodes, there will be two middle nodes, but we need to delete the second middle element. So in this question, node 6 and node 7 were the middle nodes. However, we need to delete the second middle node, which is 7, and hence the remaining ones are 2, 4, 6, and 5, 1. How we delete it? So if you have solved the question, finding the middle of the linked list, in that question, we use uh, two pointer approach, or I should say fast pointer and slow pointer approach. Same I will apply over here. Slow will point to head initially, and fast will also point to head initially, but next of it, not head. Okay, fast will point to next of it. Now we'll traverse in this list with two conditions. Either we reach the last element or we reach the second last element. Last for the odd number of nodes and second last for the even number of nodes. Okay. Either we reach the last node or second last. Then at that point, fast will move ahead two pointers, two steps as usual, because fast is always one step ahead, one step ahead. Okay. Slow will usually, as usual, move to only one step ahead. And by the time we'll come out of the loop, we will be either at the last element or at the second last element. At this point, at this point, slow's next of slow will point to next of next. What we saw over here is next of slow, next of slow is pointing to the next of next, which means we have omitted. We have omitted since we were at the fast was at the last or second last. However, slow pointer was at the middle node. Okay, at this point, after we have came out of the loop, slow pointer points to the middle element, middle node, and we have made the next element of slow point to the next of next, which means we have omitted one node, omitted middle node, omitted middle node, and hence after we have done our operation, we'll submit it, return the head, and submit and check the efficacy of our solution. So yeah, as you can see, it does the job pretty effortlessly. Okay, does the job pretty effortlessly. Yeah. Okay, so it passed all the test cases. I hope you learned this beautiful and small concept and enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a very nice day.